So I have right here a brand new Breeo X Series 24, and I'll be doing a little unboxing and showing you what comes with the box, what comes inside, what everything looks like, and a few facts about the X Series. So we'll go ahead and get started by opening the box up. So this is how the X Series arrives. It comes in a heavy-duty cardboard box, and the top is both shrink wrapped, and then we have a layer of protective styrofoam coating as well. So you can see the 304 stainless steel sear plate just shining right here. And then inside we have the Breeo X Series 24 user guide. We have a nice little thank you card for becoming a member of the Breeo family and a few facts about us in there. And then we have a little promo card with a coupon code for our friends over at Halteman Meats. So you can get some fresh meat shipped right to your door. So that's what comes inside the X Series. Oh, forgot one more thing. We include a Breeo sticker. So you can go ahead and put that in the back of your minivan or your truck or your whatever you drive and represent the brand. All right, I'm gonna pull the X Series out of the box and place it on top, and we can take a look at some more things with the fire pits. Okay, we have the X Series unwrapped, and you can see the beautiful 304 stainless steel sear plate as well as the legs, and then the Core 10 outside wall, inside wall, and then the base with the X-Base airflow system. And all of that is made of Core 10 steel, which is a very durable outdoor steel that develops a patina over time. It's the same things they use for bridges and other architectural features. So a few things to note about the X Series. It is a double wall reburn smokeless fire pit. So you have your outside wall here, inside wall here, and there's a gap in between those two walls. Air rises and comes out of the holes around the rim, and that creates a secondary combustion. In the bottom, we have our patent-pending X-Base airflow technology, where the air comes out of these channels and it keeps the air above the layer of ash, so that even as your fire is burning for a long period of time, it's not blocking off the primary air. There's also drainage in the bottom as well. Here you can see the accessory port for our post-locking system that blocks in place for our outpost grill and other cooking accessories. The sear plate warps slightly in as the fire pit heats up so that your grease from what you're cooking goes into the fire and burns off rather than getting all over your patio. The X Series is our newest fire pit design here at Breeo. We've packed all the technology we learned over the last 8 years of building smokeless fire pits into this product, and we couldn't be more excited to bring it to you guys. So this is how it looks fresh out of the box. Over time, this outside wall will develop a patina, which is basically like a thin rust coating, orangish kind of rust coating that protects it from the elements for the long term. So you can usually typically expect 6 to 12 months for that patina to fully develop. And then the legs and the sear plate are 304 high-grade stainless steel. The X Series weighs 80 pounds, it's 15 inches tall and 29.5 inches wide. There's 3 inches between the ground and the bottom of the fire pit, and the 12 inches is the depth of the fire pit.